Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to download and install full driver for Canon GX2051. To download the driver, we need to go to Google Chrome. You can use Bing, you can use any search program you want to use. So type Canon support in your region, select on Canon support, then select customer product support. Then scroll down, Canon GX2051, Canon Maxify, select Maxify. Then scroll down and select GX series. Then look from the list. This is 2050. So this 2050 also covers 2051 series. So you select on 2050 series. And this is the printer. This printer also covers GX2051. Select drivers. Then select operating system, Windows 11 dictated. If you scroll down, you select your operating system, Mac OS, and etc. So Windows 11 is dictated. And this is the driver, GX2000 series. Then you select download. Select download. Then you look on your PC screen. Download is done. It will show you it's done. Win GX2000 series. Select on it to open, or you go to File Explorer, select File Explorer, then you go to download. Then select on the file. This is the file. Double click it to open application. So it will show you, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Then you select yes. So it's extracting. Welcome to driver installer setup. Then you select next. Then you select your region, Europe. Then you select next. End user agreement. Then you select yes. Then it will search for the printer. Once the printer is found, then you select on the printer to proceed. Connect the printer to a wireless network, or you connect the printer with a USB cable, then proceed to set up the printer. So if you connect the printer with a USB cable, the printer will be dictated. So you will find the printer, then you select the printer to proceed. Likewise, if you connect the printer via a wireless network with your computer, the printer needs to show up, then you select on the printer to proceed. This is how to install the driver, and you will follow the process to complete the installation process. After that, it will tell you that installation is completed. Then you can print out a test page to confirm that the printer is working. So this is how to install the driver and software for this printer. Thank you very much indeed.